Andy, tough game. Do you feel it's a point gained or on reflection 2 points dropped?
No, it's definitely a point gained. We've come from behind twice. The boys have showed great character, great resilience there, and more importantly, it's a response to last week's defeat that we get ourselves a point on the road. And as we know, any point in this league, especially on the road, is a big point.
In these home games, if you go ahead, you've got to try and keep the lead and win the game. I thought we did ever so well to get in the lead. We've hit the post first couple of minutes. Could have been 2 up. You know, we actually get the lead, give it away, go in half time, regroup, come back out, start the half ever so well, get the goal, and then we just give a silly goal away, playing men on side. It was poor. But you know, from my point of view, if you lead the game twice at home, you should be winning them games.
Dwi'n meddwl o pwynt yn deg. Ar y cyfan, dwi'n meddwl bod ni wedi gael hynny lawr chydig bach. Dwi'n gathon nhw mwy o cyfleon a creu mwy yn y gêm, dwi'n meddwl, ond diwedd dydd, dwi'n meddwl, sa'r dau dim yn cymryd pwynt.
I think the truth is, you know, once we've scored our second, I felt that we could gain momentum there and go on and try and pinch the third one. But the game became stretched both ways. And in the end, I think 2 teams have to be satisfied with a point. I think from Bala's point of view, of course, they've gone ahead twice. You know, they're going to be disappointed that that's happened. I'm disappointed that we've come away from home and scored 2 goals and not been able to win the game.
Stori tymor ni hyd yn hyn, di bod ni wedi sgorio wedyn chi atal gols yn fewn, ond diweddar dyn ni gadael chydig bach gormod o gols i fewn a dwi'n meddwl wedi danos y 2 gêm dwytha bod y safon ddim cweit yna.
I don't want to be too critical because the lads have been great this year, but you know, in both boxes today, you know, we lacked a little bit of quality. You know, that final ball in the final third in and around the box, you know, done it ever so well to work ourselves into some good positions, and then didn't have that end product.